play in the finals or get the Grand Slam, be part of that team. But I guess my role right now is to be an ate on the side, trying to see volleyball in a different perspective, and trying to use my experience, my knowledge, and impart it to all of my teammates. But I mean, in our team, no one really left behind kasi. So I feel like I've contributed in my own way as well. But with my injury, I've been dealing with my injury for almost a year, more than a year right now. And it's been, mas madami yung lows kasi sa high. Also, it's not easy. As an athlete, I think one of our greatest fears is, aside from retiring from the sport, it's really getting injured. And most especially if you get injured on your peak, lots of frustrations. But I'd say one thing that helped me survive or actually naging mas smooth yung journey ko. Actually, it's not really smooth, but I'm alongside with great athletes trying to support each other. And that's one thing I would say, one of the best things in sports that I got, the beauty of sports.